Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today we have a 2020 Harris 250 Solstice that I wanted to walk you through. So this is what they call an SL or single lounger. We've got the nice backrest right here, so if you're moving forward you can sit this way, or if you want you can pull this up and then pull it back and face this way as it's moving, because it has the railings on the side. So some storage underneath both those seats, a cooler under there. All the cup holders are lighted. Lots of storage throughout the entire boat. All of the armrests have cup holders in them. There's cup holders tucked up underneath as well. This particular model does have the upgraded stereo system, so JL audio all the way through and JL sub right here as well. Beautiful helm. Nice looking steering wheel as well. We got the Lowrance in there. All your push buttons, so dock lighting, exterior lighting, everything's right in there. Digital throttle for the Mercury 200 horse on this one. And then as we come towards the front here, we got some storage in the floor, which is really nice with the tri-tune. It's got a rough water package to it. We've got some nice storage here. These are all on hinges, so it just opens up just like that, so you can get to all your storage. And there's a nice lock to it, so they're not popping open all the time. Again, this is a 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. Come on down to MarineMax of Rogers, take a look at this. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.